I'm on a mission to go on a deep dive into the twists, turns, and stories behind the world's most legendary theme park attractions. From groundbreaking designs to their impact on park goers, I want to explore the facts, history, and magic that make these rides timeless. Welcome to Sunday Ride Showcase. Buckle up, the adventure starts now.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Welcome, foolish mortals. Or should I say brave guests, to episode 8 of Sunday Ride Showcase. Today we will be taking a deep dive into the fascinating history, some hidden secrets, and the incredible ride mechanics, the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Hold on tight, because this elevator ride is going to be out of this dimension. Let's rewind to the early 1990s. Disney's MGM Studios, now Hollywood Studios, was expanding, and Imagineers were looking for a thrilling new attraction to anchor Sunset Boulevard. They wanted something bold, something that would fit in the golden age of Hollywood fame, and, most importantly, something that would scare guests silly. Enter the Twilight Zone. The classic TV series hosted by Rod Serling was known for its eerie atmosphere and mind-bending twists. Disney partnered with CBS to bring the Twilight Zone to life in a completely original story, set in a once glamorous hotel struck by tragedy on a stormy night in 1939. And so, in 1994, the Hollywood Tower Hotel welcomed its first guests, or victims. The attraction was designed with extreme attention to detail, from its crumbling facade to the carefully placed cobwebs inside. Disney Imagineers even traveled to real abandoned hotels to study their aging process, ensuring the Hollywood Tower Hotel looked convincingly eerie. The ride quickly became a must-do for thrill seekers and Twilight Zone fans alike. Let's talk about some hidden details Imagineers packed into this attraction. Check out the dusty props. Many of them are actual antiques from the 1930s. And if you look closely, you'll find references to classic Twilight Zone episodes, like the ventriloquist dummy from episode The Dummy. There are dozens upon dozens of Easter eggs found on this ride. Now let's talk about the real magic, or should I say engineering, behind the Tower of Terror. Unlike a traditional drop tower ride, Tower of Terror doesn't just drop you. Instead, it uses a sophisticated combination of cables, motors, and computer-controlled sequences to pull you down faster than gravity. The ride uses autonomous guided vehicles, or AGVs, which move guests through the fifth dimension scene before locking into the drop shaft. Once inside, massive motors pull and drop the vehicle in a randomized sequence, meaning no two rides are exactly the same. The system can choose from multiple patterns, ensuring that repeat riders never quite know what to expect. Plus, advanced safety measures, including redundancy checks and emergency brakes, keep everything running smoothly. That unpredictability keeps guests coming back for more, and it's what makes Tower of Terror one of the most thrilling attractions Disney has ever designed. Did you know that variations of the Tower of Terror exist in other Disney parks? In Paris, the ride is nearly identical to the original. But over at Disney Tokyo Sea, the story is completely different. Instead of the Twilight Zone, it tells the tale of Harrison Hightower, an arrogant explorer who steals a cursed idol. Let's just say things don't end well for him. Tower of Terror is simply a Disney masterpiece. It's one of my must-do attractions every single time I'm in Hollywood Studios. No questions asked, I'm writing it. It's a ride I could do over and over and over again. Have you braved the Hollywood Tower Hotel? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more theme park deep dives. Until next time, you are now leaving the Twilight Zone.